Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two creators team platform, which is Streamlabs and Castr. So let's quickly dive into it and decide which of these platform can be a game changer for you. So let's dive into it. Streamlabs is perfect for creators who want a professional look with overlay, alert, and full customization. It's easy to use and great for Twitch or YouTube stream. However, it can be resource heavily and some features are locked behind paid plan. Castr, on the other hand, focus on multi-streaming, letting you broadcast to several platforms at once with its simple setup. It's reliable and lightweight, but it lacks advanced customization tools and also design flexibility. So talking about Streamlabs wins for creators focused on branding and visual, while Castr is best for effortless multi-platform streaming. And that's the difference between the two. So you're choosing which one is best and far more approachable for what you want to do. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.